Kadamba, Anthocephalus indicus. You can watch the Kadamba leaf, fruit and flowers. See, it belongs to family Rubiaceae. It is having best activity, antifungal activity, anti-inflammatory activity. Kadamba stem bark kashaya, Kadamba leaf juice is useful in fevers. In tribal people, in tribal areas, it is abundantly used for fever in case of fever and Sweta Pradara, Rakta Pradara, gynecological infections. In all these conditions related to the reproductive system diseases, it is extremely useful. Now you can see the venation of the Kadamba. You can see the venation of the Kadamba, how it is it not? Kadamba basically having pentamerous nature. You can watch the fruit and flowers. You can watch very, very clearly fruit and flower. It is offered to Lord Krishna. It is offered to Lord Krishna, and cultivating the Kadamba is nothing but offering or nothing but the salute to Sri Lakshmi Narayana. So it is a favorite plant to Lakshmi Narayana and Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna used to play with her friends in olden days, in the sense in his time, along with his friends under the Kadamba tree. See, now we are watching Kadamba Vruksha, Phala, Patra and flowers very, very clearly. Thank you sparing for your valuable time to watch the Kadamba Ellen Ayurvedic online tuitions. Dr. Simhadri 9014141722. Thank you for sparing your valuable time.